my name is Rebecca Ruiz. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing with you the Cider and Donuts collection by Simple Stories. This is their fall 2024 collection. It's gorgeous. The colors are amazing with a hint of pink, and the designs are stunning. Look at these flowers, how pretty they are. I'm sharing now the collection kit. The kit includes the 12 pattern papers in the collection and also the sticker sheet, but if you prefer to buy them individually, you can also find them individually. Some of the papers are cut apart. I'm going to mention them to you. Look how nice. This is the tag paper. Journaling cards. 3x4 cards, 4x4 and 2x2 cards, 6x4 cards, and the stickers. As you can see, perfect to document all your fall memories, but also your Thanksgiving pictures. These are the washi tapes, 5 different designs in the pack, enamel dots which have glitter to make them even prettier, the decorative brads with some chipboard pieces, the chipboard frames, 6 different frames in the pack. Look how beautiful they are. The designs, to make your life easier by using them, they will enhance your photos and your projects. You can use them with photos or just to embellish. They're really nice. These are the ribbons, 2 sheets of ribbons per pack. The 6x8 paper pad, 24 sheets of paper, 12 different designs. Some of the designs are exclusive to the 6x8 pad, and now you can find smaller versions of the tags and the journaling card, and also exclusive 3x4 cards. This is the sticker book, which is a great value for your money. You get 12 sheets of stickers for a total of 226 stickers, and they have a great mix of title, flowers, borders, and elements that you can use to create cluster, journal. Just beautiful. The foam stickers, the chipboard stickers, and now let's start with the die cuts. This one is the big beads. It has 14 pieces. These are big die cut, beautiful. Look at those flowers and how cute they are. You can use them in your pages and also in your albums, cards, and to decorate. Just beautiful. These are the page pieces. The pack includes 17 die cuts. The pack comes with a double layout idea that you can create with these pieces, or you can use them as you prefer. The next one is the bits and pieces. This is the biggest pack with 59 pieces, from titles, phrases, flowers, elements, banners, a lot of different things to create clusters and to embellish your projects. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more unboxing and for inspiration using these products. And if you want to follow me on social media, all the links are in the description box. Look how cute they are. Beautiful colors and beautiful designs. The next is the floral beads. These are stunning, huge flowers, beautiful colors and designs. Look at that. If you want to make some decorations for fall or create cards or projects, these are a must-have. Always the florals are my favorite, and these are no exception. They are really gorgeous. I don't know if I told you, but there are 46 pieces in this pack. This is the journal beads with 26 pieces. Great designs to create clusters and to document your memories. You can use them to anchor other die cuts, stickers, and embellishments, with labels, tabs, and places to journal. And the last one is the sentiments bead with 43 pieces. Some have words, phrases. They are really nice to create titles, subtitles, and to add some wording to your projects. They also come with little elements that you can use in your projects to embellish. But the focus are in the sentiments. They're really nice. That's all for this collection. Thank you so much for staying with me, and don't forget to ask your retailer for this collection. Bye!